A lot of people sell digital products the wrong way, just like this seller, as you can see, selling a digital product, and he is selling it as a physical product, get it shipped by the estimated delivery time and stuff. It's like he is selling a physical product, but in fact, this will get him banned in just a few hours. And also, if you scroll down, you will be able to see here something like, we don't sell on eBay because eBay holds the money. Okay, so they are not selling this the correct way. I will show you exactly how to sell digital products the correct way on eBay without having any problems. Okay, let's get started right now. So first thing to do, you want to click on sell in the top right, and after that you want to click on create listing. Now after that you just need to add here the title of your digital product. Now in my case, I'm just going to add here an example test, for example, ebook for example, working online. And I'm going to click on search. And after that, you just need to select here in the category. You want to select anything, just click on done. Okay. After that, I'm going to do this and then click continue listing. Okay, so what you need to do first in order for you to sell digital products legally on eBay, you want to go with item category and then you want to click on edit. And after that, you want to select this. Let me search for the category you need to select. It's let me check here. It's everything else. Okay, select everything else, and you want to select, after that you want to select information products, and you want to select other information products. That's how you can sell digital products. That's the correct category for digital products on eBay. Okay, so after that you want to scroll down. Here you want to select the condition of your item. I'm going to go with brand new and then scroll down, and here the buy format, the format, you want to change it to classified ad. Very, very important. That's how you can sell digital products. Okay, the format, it should not be buy it now. It should be classified ad. Now here the until sold or 30 days, I'm going to go with 30 days, and here you want to enter the price, advertised price. I'm going to select $30. Now after that, you want to list it. Now by the way, there will be a fee of $9 for each time you want to sell a digital product. Now the reason why these people get banned all the time is because they are trying to sell a digital product using the same item specifics or category like a physical product, so that they can avoid this fee. Okay, that's the reason why they get banned all the time. Now this guy, for example, will get banned in just a few hours. Okay, if you go to his store, as you can see, very, very new. It's only 4 days old, and this will not last. Okay, it will be closed very quickly. All the listings are very new, as you can see. New listing, new listing. That's why he will get banned just a few hours. Now as you can see, now this is the correct way to sell digital products. Click on list, and when the buyer sends you a message, you can either send it through eBay or through email, and the payment, it should not you will not get it on eBay. You will get it outside of eBay. Just send them your PayPal link and you will be protected. Okay, just send them just request money from them, or you can just send them your PayPal link and then they will send you the money, and then you can send them the digital products. Okay, so that's all you need to do in order for you to sell digital products on eBay. If you have any questions, by the way, you can let me know you can contact me on Instagram. This is my own Instagram. I am a dropshipper on eBay, a dropshipper for the past like 6 years. So I have a lot of experience with eBay. This is my own username on Instagram. So hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.